Good morning and welcome back to computer class. We are on the activity number 4. In activity 4, we are going to change the background color of your picture. Okay. So let us start this activity. First we are going to click on the file, click on open, select any one picture. I am going to select this desert.jpeg. Okay. Picture will be open. Now suppose I want to change the color of this sky. Okay, so I'm going to select the things. Previously I told you about the selection tools. Different selection tools are there, like rectangle tool or your marquee tool, but this area is not rectangle in size. This is irregular, so we can select with your lasso tool as well as your quick selection. So quick selection or your magic wand tool. Shortcut key is W. So I am going to select with your magic wand tool and the shortcut key is W. So click on that. Then one option is there which is your tolerance. Tolerance by default it is your 32. Okay. Now suppose I am going to click on this. What happened? Only the particular part is selected. Only the one shade is selected with the tolerance level is 32. As we increase the tolerance level, selection area will also increase. So I am going to click it as 60. Okay, and then click. What happened? My selection area will be increased. But I want that this area should be added in the selection. So I am going to click here, right click and click on add to selection. This area will be added in selection. Now I want this area should be added in a selection. So I am going to click here, right click and click on add to selection. Okay, so this part, this background picture will be selected. Now I want to change the color of this part. This part is selected. I want to change the color. Suppose I want a gradient fill or we can say shading. So first we will select the two shades which we want to change. So first we are going to select the back foreground color in the shade of some blue color. Okay, and then your background color I am going to select something is from your okay. So I have selected two colors, one is your blue, one is your yellow, and I am going to apply gradient, means your shading of these two colors. Now how to apply this shading? What we have to do? We have to select the paint bucket tool. Where is that paint bucket tool? It's there. When you click on this, when you click on this, two options are there. One is your gradient tool and second is your paint bucket tool. So I am going to select gradient tool. Okay. Now here you can see shading is there in these two colors. Okay. So I am going to select this shading and simply drag a line on this area. What happened? My background color will be changed. Suppose you change the colors. Say for example, I am going to take something from here. Okay, red and something from here. Yellow. So gradient will be like this. And if I am going to drag it like this, what happened? My gradient color will be changing. Suppose you want any other color, you will be taking it as the color. Suppose I want this blue color and background as your again okay. So color will be changing. Different options are there for gradient. One is your linear gradient which is by default selected. Second is your radial gradient. If I click it like that, shading is in the rounded. Then this is your angular, rectangle, diamond gradient. Okay, so select any one gradient and change the background color. Save your picture. How to save? Click on the file, click on save. Okay, JPEG options are there, means picture is going to save in the JPEG format, but we don't want to change the original picture, so click on the file, click on save as, and then click it as desert1.jpeg. Desert1 instead of that desert, otherwise the desert will be overwritten. So desert1, and then save. Picture quality is maximum. Okay, save the picture. So do this activity at your home. This is our activity number 4. Goodbye for now. Take care. Bye bye.